What are you doing? Scraping stuff? Alright guys, welcome back. Here we are with our QUICKJACKs. So if you've seen our previous video, we got these set up and we used them to lift the Dodge. But to be honest, you know, they say that these things are real maneuverable, but they don't slide very good, especially on this rougher concrete. And they do come with these little handles right here to drag these QUICKJACKs in and out of the car. But to be honest, look, you try to put them on here and it doesn't even budge these things. Well, especially when you got a baby standing on it. Hey, get off. See, like, it just pops right off of there. So, did some research, found some videos online. There is some solutions where guys, they sell a caster kit that bolts on here, but they want like 300 bucks. So the solution is some of these little caster bearings. Get them on Amazon. I think these were about $13 for 8 of them. But then I found these. They come with self-adhesive, and actually I like this bearing. The bearing feels a lot better. That one compared to this one doesn't really sound like it has much in there, where this one sounds like it has a lot of ball bearings inside. And they're about the same price. They're both under 20 bucks. I'll put a link in the description. Again, you know, there's some Chinese bearings. The only difference is these have a metal body and they're a little narrower, which these are like a 5/8. This is a 5/8 ball bearing. And this is a 1 inch. So they're a little bit higher. But the cool thing is that the black ones, they come with the adhesive, so you don't have to really mess with that and just put them on with sticky tape. So we're going to go ahead and get those installed on the lifts and see how they work. Okay, so we're going to get ready to find out where we want to place these. So these, the jacks are all the way down right now. We want it to be in a location where it's just going to lift, just raise the jacks up over the ground. So as soon as we start to lift these, that it's going to take the ball bearings with it, so the jacks aren't going to be sliding all over the place. Plus, we need as much ground clearance as we can with this low car. So I'm going to put these, so like right here they slide under, probably go right here, and then we'll just take a measurement and do that on all 4 corners. So here I'm just measuring from that pivot point. It's about 10 inches, and then I'm going to clean it with some paint prep. You could clean it with brake clean or alcohol. You just want to make sure that there's no grease or oil on that frame so that the adhesive sticks. So measuring off 10 inches. I'm going to go ahead and place that bearing right there on that mark. You want to try? Here, come help me put it on like a sticker. You gonna push it?
Yes.
There you go. Oop. Okay, push it. There, see? Where's the pencil? You got me.
Dad.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Stop moving it.
That's you.
You got me. You're silly.
What's that? A bubble?
Yeah, no, it's a paint prep. We gotta make sure that it's clean so the sticker sticks.
A bubble?
Yeah, we gotta put the sticker on here. Try to make sure that it's somewhat centered.
Dad.
Stop moving the camera, Caleb. So if you wanted, you could throw some zip ties on here too to kind of help support it. But I think under the weight of the jacks, these are going to be fine. You can trim these down if you don't want them sticking out, which I might do eventually. Yeah. Okay, we got to do the other side. So these do come with screws, but I don't want to really drill or cut or tap into this. I'm not an engineer. I don't want to, you know, compromise the integrity of these at all.
Daddy.
Mark 10 inches over here. Yeah.
Oh,
Are you in the way of the camera?
huh?
Go this way a little bit.
Oh, there.
Over here.
Huh?
Over here.
Oh, there.
Yeah, right here. Number 10. See it? Number 10.
Oh, check.
Yeah, right here, number 10.
Oh, mine.
Yep.
Oh, me.
Yep.
And me.
Yeah, you do it. Here, you gonna clean it?
Yeah.
Okay, clean it.
There.
Clean it right there. There you go.
Okay.
All clean.
Yeah.
Yep, right there. Push, 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 push. There you go.
There.
See? Yeah,
There.
see?
There.
Got it?
There.
Good job. Okay, let's flip it back over.
Huh?
You gotta be careful you don't knock them off though.
Daddy, daddy. Daddy.
I think so. Hey, look.
Hey.
Now they move real easy.
Oh. Oh.
See?
See?
See? See it?
Daddy,
You
what?
gotta be careful not to step on here though, because you could fall. See? Now it's like a big skateboard. See? Now you can move them real easy.
Daddy, help you?
Now we take our tool, and now the tool
Daddy,
moves real easy.
come on.
Say thanks for watching. No?